also GV protection for
Bars, protection bars.
bars. I already used them when I fell down, and the GV
How to say?
hand covers.
Hand covers.
You name it, you can
Yes, it's
do
easy,
it.
easy, yes.
This is my patent coffee holder, and this, ladies and gentlemen, is the best thing to put in the bike. This, and
The bars, protection bars.
It's good. The best. It's a must. I'm going to show you why. Hold, please.
Yes, and not close the video.
There is one problem with this bike. People say that the bike is for short people.
For short
For
people.
short people. I'm 190. I'm tall man. But I don't believe this is for short people. This is sport position. You put your legs up and back. So you have one aggressive position to turn. Okay. But after a long ride, about 1 hour of riding, you need to stop because your legs are all the time like μαζεμένα, πώς θα πει?
Like this, in this position.
This position could be here, for example.
Yes, I
But it's here.
understand.
My solution is this bar. I rest them.